Tori, can you walk in the center so I can get my focus?
Yeah, gotcha. How's this?
What the heck is this? What, are you starring in my videos now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm obviously better than you, so.
Hey, yeah, it's Todd the Dirt Man, and we're doing Dirty Shish Kabobs today. It's another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. We're here in this beautiful kitchen today, and yes, we are doing Dirty Shish Kabobs. This is a recipe that you're going to make for your friends and family, and that's going to kind of be a wow. They're going to go, wow, that was really good. And then they're going to sit there and go, hey man, what do you got on that shish kebab over there that had all that flavor? What do you put on there? And you're going to say, I can't tell you because that's my dirty little secret. Okay, now time for the ingredients for the dirty shish kebabs. What the heck am I doing here? We have the tomatoes here. We're going to use the Mamma Mia tomatoes. I love these tomatoes. I found these at a grocery store. They're absolutely fantastic. They just have this really nice burst in the flavor. They're really fantastic. And now we're going to use red tomatoes. You can use other kind of tomatoes. But this really works nice. It kind of keeps it all uniform. These are the little mushrooms here. And I'm using portobello mushrooms instead of regular button mushrooms. I think these really work well, especially when you're marinating. And definitely with the down and dirty, it's going to work well. Couple onions, green peppers you can use. I really prefer the yellow, the orange, and the red. I just think they're sweeter. You also got the meat here. We're using regular stewed meat. You could use a better quality meat, but we're marinating today, so this should really stand up well. And then we have the marinades today. We're using the marinades. We got the original marinade. This is gonna work great. And then we're also gonna use the down and dirty, and we're gonna get crazy. So let's get started. We're gonna open up the meat. And we're gonna put half of the meat in one bag and half of the meat in the other bag. Kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, now we're gonna use the original marinade in this one. Always make sure you shake up your marinades. Open it up, and we'll probably put, that's roughly about half a bag into it. And then we're going to mix it up really good and close it up. Now let's do the down and dirty. We're going to shake, 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 shake. Always make sure we get all the flavors meld together. Half the bottle in here. Mix it up really good. All right, what we're gonna do is we are gonna take these two bags, we're gonna put them in the refrigerator. We're gonna let them marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll come back. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna marinate these mushrooms. Now, do you have to do this in advance? You do not. I just think that, especially if you're using these portobello mushrooms, it adds a whole lot more extra flavor. So I'm just gonna put these mushrooms in the bag. Put the original marinade, probably about a quarter of the bottle, just enough to cover up the mushrooms really well. Close that up. Now we're gonna take the down and dirty. Getting down and dirty. This and portobello mushrooms is ridiculous. These are really fantastic. You're gonna shake. And you can see they've got the good down and dirty on there really well. Close these up. Put these in the refrigerator, and then we'll come right back. Now we're gonna put these shish kebabs together. Here we go. So we start off with the meat. We're gonna do the original first. And we just start putting them on. And I'm just gonna use this like an assembly line. Going right on down. Get in there. This is actually a whole lot of fun to do. Be fun to do with your family, with your kids. Look how pretty that one is. Now let's do it down and dirty. Getting down and dirty. Wait this time. Well, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Look how pretty that is. All right, now we got the shish kebabs together. Now we're gonna finish it off. This is my final little Dirtman tip. We are gonna now spread the marinade all over the beautiful shish kebabs. Why do they call them shish kebabs? I know it's a Turkish thing. And this is just gonna add a whole lot of extra flavor. That one done. Now we're gonna do the down and dirty. Look at those. Let's go outside and put them on the grill. Ooh, now let's make sure that you always want to make sure that you get your pan, your grill nice and hot, and then you want to make sure that you put some kind of coating on there to make sure things don't stick. I love using this because it's a lot of fun. Oh yeah, look what I have created. Fire! Don't do this at home, by the way. All right, we got the grill nice and hot. Now we're gonna put the shish kebabs on. This is the one with the original marinade. Oh yeah, I know the music just stopped, but listen to that music. Oh yeah. Now we're putting the down and dirty. We're getting down and dirty. Putting that on there. Oh, listen to that sound. Oh, that might be one of my favorite sounds in the world. Let's close this up and we'll flip it again in probably about 5 minutes. All right, it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. So we're gonna flip this over, but one of the things I like to do, this is a Todd Dirt Tidbit. They should just be like this light coming out. Pour a little bit of marinade right on top. This is gonna add just a little bit more flavor. We're gonna do the same thing for the down and dirty. Turn these. Oh yeah, look at those beautiful grill marks. Josh, what do you think? Starting to look pretty. Close up, another couple more minutes and we're done. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, it looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Let's get this on here. Oh yeah. Get a close-up of that, Josh. Look how pretty that is. Oh yeah. It's time to get dirty. Okay, now we're inside. Let's taste these wonderful, beautiful dirty shish kebabs. So we're gonna start off with the original. Pull this off. Let's try this meat right here. See how good that is. Wow. That is so tasty. That is a meal all by itself. Just those little mushrooms with the marinade is fantastic. Let's try the down and dirty. We're going getting down and dirty. Oh, going down and dirty. Oh. Meat so tender. So, hope you like this little video. Shish kebabs are absolutely fantastic. When you make this recipe, I'm telling you, your friends are gonna ask you what the heck you have on here, and they're gonna want it again and again. So I hope you liked the video. Remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.